In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build dashboards and reports in Monday.com, a powerful project management tool. If you're new to creating visual representations of your data or looking to streamline your reporting process, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to head over to Monday.com. Once there, take a look at the upper right corner of the home page where you'll see the login button. Give that a click. Now you have a couple of options for signing in here. You can either sign in with Google, which is quick and easy if you have an account, or type in the email address you'll be working with. If you opt for the Google sign-in, select the email address you want to use and you're all set to go. Once logged in, look towards the left side of your workspace. You'll notice a plus button. This is your gateway to creating new boards or dashboards. Click on that plus button and then select dashboard from the menu options that appear. It's now time to name your dashboard. Think of a name that reflects the data or project you will be working on. You also need to decide whether you'd like this dashboard to be visible to everyone, a main dashboard, or visible only to you, making it private. With these choices made, go ahead and click on Create Dashboard. Now, your dashboard is set up, but there's no data in it yet. Don't worry, that's our next step. You'll need to select which board you want to pull data from. Browse through your available boards and make your selections. After you've chosen the relevant boards, just click Done to finalize your selections. Our next task is to add widgets to your dashboard, which will display your data in a more visual and engaging way. On the dashboard screen, you'll see a blue Add Widget button. Click this to explore your options. There are many widgets to choose from, including numbers, charts, a battery indicator, and even a workload widget to keep track of team tasks. If you're not sure which one to choose, check out the More Widgets option for an expanded list of possibilities. Once you've decided, select the widget you want and click Add Widget. Finally, you'll want to configure each widget to display the specific data you're interested in. Navigate to the three-dot menu on the top right of the widget. Click on it and select Settings to tailor the widget settings according to your needs. This might involve setting parameters or specifying which data to display. And there you have it, a personalized dashboard to keep your team informed and up to date. So that's it for our tutorial on building dashboards and reports in Monday.com. By following these steps, you'll be able to create insightful and dynamic views of your data to help with decision making and team alignment. Thanks for watching, and good luck creating those dashboards.